Hi, TR here. This video is on the discussion assignment, Environmental Wellness. Now, on the page, you will see that we have pretty clear instructions. You're going to have a choice between analyzing or discussing a natural space in Calgary, someplace you can go for free, it could be a park, pathway, etc., or your learning environment, which can be your school and or your personal learning space. Even libraries have been used. Once you've done that, you will do a thoughtful reply and be sure to review the announcements where I've created an announcement regarding thoughtful replies. Now, what to supply or produce in this assignment? I expect to see a clearly described and rated environment. I expect to see an image, a drawing. I expect to see that you've explained how this space might affect the aspects of wellness. And we're looking for 7 aspects of the wellness. The wellness benefits of the area and possible wellness activities, drawbacks of the area, how the area could be improved. You want to make sure that you separate each of these topics and use a bolded title. Be sure that you do not clump your answers in one paragraph. Now, you'll notice down on the bottom that I do have a marking rubric that you can review, though this checklist will give you all the information you need. Once you're done, you will go to the discussions. It's the icon on your main page, and you will find environmental wellness discussion. You make your post, and then you find another student, peer, that you can reply to. Again, remember, it's a thoughtful feedback. And any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know. Thank you and have a great day.